Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to safely unmount USB flash drive from on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, you will see USBs here, insert in phone. That's not possible, need this connector. So after connect, pin is insert in phone, you will see. And you will see, go to app library. Scroll down and click on Files app. After click on My Files app, USB is showing here. Click on your USB and click on File and click on this three dot icon, and here showing you Unmount option. Click on Unmount, go back to home screen. So that's how you can safely unmount USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.